Good morning, children. Now we're going to read a book about Sky Color by Peter H. Reynolds. Can I ask you some questions? Now, what can you see in this page of the book? Yes, you are right. Someone who is holding a paintbrush and holding a colors. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Marisol was an artist. She loved to draw and paint, and she even had her very own art gallery. Not all her art hung in a gallery. Much of it she shared with the world. She painted posters to share ideas and she believed in. At school, Marisol was famous for her creative clothes, her box of art supplies, and her belief that everybody was an artist. So kids, do you believe that everybody's an artist? Yes, and why? Yes, you are right. You can draw everything that you want. Yes, Marisol was an artist through and through. So, when her teacher told the class they were going to paint a mural for the library, Marisol couldn't wait to begin. The classroom buzzed with the sound of brainstorming. The students talk and sketch. Together, they made a great big drawing. Then, they marched to the library. I'll paint the fish. I'll paint one too. I'll paint the ocean. Marisol shouted, I'll paint the sky. Marisol rummaged through the box of paint but could not find any blue. Why do you think Marisol is looking for the color blue? Oh, really? Yeah, that's good. So let's move on. Let's find out. How am I going to make the sky without the blue paint? Oh, so Marisol want to paint the sky with the blue paint. Then the bell rang. It was time to put their brushes down for the day. As she climbed aboard the bus, Marisol kept wondering. What do you think Marisol is thinking? Okay, let's find out. All the way home, she started out the window. The sun lowered closer to the horizon. Later at home, Marisol watched the day turn into night. That night, Marisol settled into a deep dream. Oh, Marisol is dreaming. What do you think Marisol is dreaming? Did you dream before? Good. She drifted through a sky swirling with colors. Colors mix, making too many to count. In the morning, Marisol stood waiting for the bus in the rain. The sky was not blue. She smiled. Did you see the sky when you go out when it's raining? Yeah? What can you see? What's the color of the sky? Yes, you're right. It's either gray or a bit black. Okay, let's find out more. At school, Marisol raced to the library. She grabbed a dish and began adding colors. This one, that one. She swirled the brush to make altogether new color. Marisol began painting on the wall. A boy asked, "What color is that?" "That," Marisol said, "that is sky color." So what can you see in this page? The painting is full of colors. You are right. You can see fish. Yes, fish. Fish are flying. Yes, very good. So that's the end of the story. What did you learn about the story? So, yes, that's right. Thank you for today. Thank you for listening to the beautiful story.